Okay, so now we are on system. Okay, and this topic is they say human system lah, but I think it's a mixture of a few. Okay, so let's look at the questions now. Any questions that you have first for this particular worksheet so far? Don't have, yeah. I saw your answers. Seems pretty okay. It's still okay at this point. It will get tougher with time, but what I see is it is still pretty okay. Easy, Evan says. Okay, good for you. All right, so if we look at question 1, okay, so this question 1, right, shows a graph that indicates the increase in the length. So there's an increase in the length of a bone in a human leg over a few years. Hi, Gordon. Yeah, so based on the graph, which of the following is a possible conclusion? You see, starting with the time someone is just born at age 0, okay, the length of the bone is actually this particular unit, right? So it increases up to a point it stops. And here it stays the same. Correct now? No more increase. The length of the bone remains the same, right, for a period of time. So what can you say? What is your possible conclusion if I look at your answer? Yes, Evan, thank you. If I look at your answer, oh, everybody got this right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, all of you got this right. Y'all know that actually, sorry, I don't think y'all can see yet. If I were to show you, okay, this is your worksheet results. Yeah. So this is your worksheet results, and then I have the open-ended question. All your answers are here. Okay. So later we'll be looking at all this. Okay. If you want to have access to this, later on, then we settle it. All right. Apologize, yeah. Okay, so your responses are all captured, those who did lah. Yeah, so if you have not done your work, then not captured, you know. Then if let's say your answers are not captured here, maybe you can let me know in the chat whether you have done it. Oh, no, Hanin, it doesn't reload this way. I actually have to export. Yeah, then I saw, how come yours is like all blank? You know what I mean? So, okay, then I want you to do something while I'm going through, right? Okay, I'll send you the link, and then you try to ask me for access now. Then you can quickly transfer your answer in, can or not? Yeah? Yeah, I know you did it, but I don't see it in the system. It shows blank, so I need you to key in. So what you do is, okay, so if I send a link now, then can you go and ask for access quickly? I'm sure when you click on it, it says that you need to request, right? Yeah, you need to request for access, isn't it? Can you click on that? Let me resolve that for you. Did you just request for it? Is your parent Philip Lim? Can. So I'm going to, yeah, I have allowed it. Can you try to click on it once more? Yeah, that's what you will see. This is the Google Sheet. You close the thing and click on my link once more. You should be able to access now. Okay, yeah. So, so that means what you can see is this, right? See how you go and type in your answer. Can you do that? And then the open-ended question also. Seems like the system didn't capture your answer at all. Okay. And I think it also happened for Jaden and Adam. Okay. Adam, your answers I can see here, but I don't see it in the open-ended. Yeah, all of you no access yet. Only you can request for access now. Then I will grant you the access, but you go in there, don't go and delete people's answers. Can or not? I wouldn't want that to happen. Yes? Okay. Remember we are here to learn. Okay, so if let's say you have requested, I will be seeing it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, your parent is Dawn, right? Yeah. So don't worry, we can do this later. We might not be able to finish, giving access to everybody one by one, but we can do it later. I suspect we can finish this. Yeah, Timothy, that's what I felt. That's what I felt. Okay. That's why we can do this quite fast. Yeah. Do you all feel like you have seen these questions before? Seems so, then all the more you cannot get it wrong, right? It seems like we have done this before. Jokai also feel. That's why when I was looking at it, I kept thinking, it seems so familiar. Why is it so familiar? Never mind. That means we can quickly go through it. I have actually a game to play with you. Yeah, so we quickly finish this. I have a game to play with you. It's not Kahoot. It's something else. Okay, it's something else, and I would like to try that out with you. Can? So you are my guinea pigs, just to try out the game. Then you let me know whether it's okay. If you are agreeable, we can play more of those. Jokai seems to have lost more weight. Okay. Yeah, you look like you lost weight again. So quickly tell me, what is your answer? Okay, one we have already. One is D, right? Very sorry. So the second question, you should know as well. The diagram shows one of our body system. What is this body system we are referring to? Quickly. So we finish this fast. We can even play one of the game I am trying out, and maybe one Kahoot. But you tell me, what is this system first? What is this system showing? Yeah. Yes. Okay. It is actually the circulatory system. How do you know it's the circulatory system? What gave you the hint? What gave you the hint? Okay, yes. You saw there's the heart, right? What else? Blood vessels. Okay, so you can see the blood. Can you see blood? No, okay. Luckily, you say cannot see blood. Wow, if you can see blood, I think I will get a shock of my life. Okay, so we can see the heart, right? Yeah, and then we can see the blood vessels, but we really can't see the blood, only the vessels where the blood flows through. Okay, so what does this system do? Okay, what is it responsible for? I think all of us know this, right? So you have A, it carries oxygen to all parts of our body. Will B be the answer? It carries the food we eat into the small intestine where food is completely digested. Does the circulatory system carry the food that we eat into the small intestine? No. Evan, thank you. So it carries waste materials away from different parts of our body. Yeah, correct. This one is correct. Yeah, Evan, correct. Yeah, to link to the small intestine is actually the stomach. Yes, you're right. Okay, so answer is C. So those who can see not many people can see. I think Gordon should be able to see now, and also Dan, right? You all can see the answers being put in. There are some of you who actually chose A only. All right. I hope you understand now that it's not just A only. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Could be you answer too quickly. Possible. Okay, let's look at question 3. Study the diagram below. What can X and system Z be, respectively? So X goes into system Z. System Z actually is linked to the human circulatory system, which helps to carry certain things to all parts of the body. Okay, so what is our answer here? Let's see. Can it be air here? And then this one is digestive system. No link, right? Correct. So first one, don't think this is correct. Okay. Can it be oxygen and respiratory system? Yeah, sounds like it. Yeah. What about C, food and digestive system? Is that possible? Yeah, that's possible. Can it be water and respiratory system? Sounds weird. Not true. So answer is B and C. So question 3, yeah, most of you got D. That is correct. Good. Question 4. A pupil describes 4 tubes in our organ system. Which of the tubes cannot be observed inside part X? Yeah, so there are many tubes in the body. One is, of course, our food pipe, right? Then we have the windpipe also, isn't it? So these are the 2 tubes. Any more tubes that you can think of? Yeah. Okay, a long passage where food is completely digested. What is this? Can someone tell me? Evan later, okay? Yep. Dan says this is the small intestine. Yes. What about the next one? A passage through which food passes into the stomach. Okay, gullet. Thank you, Rachel. What about this one? A tube that carries blood. What is the tube that carries blood? We talked about this earlier. Yes, thank you. Rachel is fast. Okay, blood vessels. And S, what is this? Tube that branches and allow air to pass through. A tube that branches. Okay, it allows air to pass through. It's a tube. Tanishka, tube. Yeah, windpipe. Yeah, windpipe. Okay, yeah. Branches. Okay, Jakai, when you talk about the air tubes, actually is like the branch already. But they are saying that the tube that branches, not the branch, but the main one will branch into the air tube, right? Yeah, so that is the windpipe. The windpipe branches into air tubes. Okay, at least you know now. No problem. So what cannot be found in X? Can we find small intestine in X? Huh? It'll be scary, isn't it? Can we find gullet here? Of course. Yeah, gullet is there. Blood vessels? Are blood vessels there? Yes or no? What about S? Windpipe? Definitely got to be there, right? So Q, R, and S is actually the answer, isn't it? You all agree or not? Okay. No, not the answer. They are asking you cannot be observed. Some of you nodding your head. Okay. Can be, what I said was just now those things, yeah, can be found here, right? But there's one thing that is not found there, and that is the small intestine. So that's why our answer is actually P only. Question 4, answer is D. Yeah, P only. Yeah. So those who chose A, I know already, you're not reading the question. Okay, you're not reading the question. Yeah, Evan, now you know, Yes. Okay. Ken, let's move on. A boy is dancing. He is swinging and bending his body parts. So which 2 body systems work together to enable this movement? Okay, to enable this movement. Which 2 body systems work together to enable this movement? Okay. Some of you will think that, why is it not all? We talk about all the system actually perform together, right? Correct or not? All the systems